Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Economics for All. I am Swapna, lecturer in Economics, Maristella College. Today I am going to discuss with you about wealth definition. The first definition of economics was given by the famous classical economist Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the first economist who gave the definition to economics in the year 1776, and he wrote a book, Wealth of Nations. He defined economics as an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations, and he described economics basically a study of wealth. So in the year 1776, for the first time, Adam Smith explained about wealth of nations, and he studies about economics is a study of wealth, and it is which is produced and accumulated, consumed and distributed. What are the important features of wealth definition? There are three important points. Economics is the study of wealth. The first important and basic important point of wealth definition given by Adam Smith is economics is the study of wealth, and all human activities which is directed towards the acquisition and accumulation of wealth. The first question is how to acquire more and more wealth. The second one is it refers to only material things that include tangible goods but not the services. So second thing is Adam Smith in his definition described that wealth refers to only material things. And the third important point is human beings are motivated or guided by self-interest, in which their sole objective is to earn and accumulate more and more wealth. So, what are the important features? First one is it is a study of wealth. All human activities are directed towards the acquisition of wealth. Second one is wealth is meant for only material things. Third one is human beings are guided by self-interest, and that too to accumulate the wealth. But after going through the definition, few economists have raised certain criticisms. Carle and Ruskin criticized that wealth definition makes economics as useless science. That means they argue that a separate type of selfish man is created in the form of economic man. So basing on the wealth definition and the points which were explained by Adam Smith, they have criticized that by this definition, Adam Smith has created the economic man whose main occupation and the main objective of living is acquisition of wealth. Okay, so first criticism is Adam Smith has criticized by various economists, and he has created economic man. Second criticism is it is primarily giving importance to wealth, secondary importance to man and welfare. So in his definition, primary objective of this definition is wealth only. The third criticism was this definition covers material wealth in the form of goods only, but and he did not cover the non-material goods. He covered only the material things and which are related to wealth itself. And the fourth one is wealth definition deals only with the acquisition and accumulation of wealth, but not with the distribution of wealth. So third point, he was criticized in the form of giving priority to materialistic goods and things and not giving importance to non-material things. And fourth criticism is raised on only giving priority to how to get more and more wealth and increase the wealth, that's all, and there is no place for welfare of the society, and how to distribute this wealth also not dealt by the Adam Smith. So next definition, which is the important definition in today's topic, is Jacob Weiner's definition. Professor Jacob Weiner, an American economist, has given a complete definition to the economics. According to Jacob Weiner, economics is what economists do. Economics is what economists do. The above definition states that nowadays economics is basically concerned about providing the solutions to various economic and social problems faced by the society. So first thing is economics is what economists do. Jacob Weiner explained that he discussed about the solutions to various economic and social problems faced by the society. It is true that basic economic problem in any society is scarcity of economic resources. So he discussed about the scarcity of the resources which are available in the society, and as per the above definition, economics and economists are supposed to find the solutions and answers to the following issues. The basic economic problems according to Jacob Weiner are what type of goods are to be produced and in what quantities. First question is what type of goods are to be produced and in what quantities. The second question is how to produce such goods. Third one is whom to produce and how efficiently these resources are managed. Fuller utilization of available resources, making the economy vibrant by achieving the reasonable growth in the economy. These are the questions. These are the questions raised by Jacob Weiner and solutions also given by him. What type of goods are to be produced and in what quantities? How to produce those goods? For whom to produce? Efficient and rational usage of productive resources, fuller utilization of available resources. All these are the points which are covered by Jacob Weiner's definition. That is why this is also most acceptable definition of economics. And one more important essay in first lesson is micro and macroeconomics. Micro and macroeconomics. And what is micro and what is macro, we must discuss first. The subject matter of economics is broadly divided into two parts, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics, the term micro means small. Microeconomics is a study of small parts of the economy, of study of individual forms, individuals' income, like that. Economics is the study of particular forms, particular households, wages, incomes, prices, etc. studied under microeconomics. Micro and macro, the two terms were used for the first time by Ragnar Frisch. Ragnar Frisch used these two terms. In microeconomics, it is a study of individual and small parts. And come to the macroeconomics. The term macro means big, and it is the study of economic system as a whole. It does not study about the individual units, it studies about the total units. Macro means large, big, etc. Macroeconomics studies national income, not the individual income, general price level instead of individual prices. So what is the difference between micro and macro? Micro means small, macro means large, big, etc. Micro studies about individual units, macro studies about large units. See, this is the table. One side I have given microeconomics and the other side macroeconomics. The word micro is derived from the Greek word mikros. The word macro is derived from macros. What is the meaning of mikros? Micros, otherwise small. Macros means large. Microeconomics is the study of individual units. Okay, and whereas macroeconomics is the study of whole. It's not like a single unit, whole economy. Microeconomics is also known as price theory. Macroeconomics is known as income and employment theory. So easily you can identify that. Microeconomics deals with the price determination of the market. Macroeconomics deals with the variables like national income, aggregate income, employment, total savings, total income, total investment, etc. Macroeconomics is based on variables like aggregate demand, aggregate supply. Microeconomics is based on price mechanism, profit motive, and various other forces which are related to demand and supply. So micro and macro both are very much important topics in our economics. Micro means small, macro means large. Okay, so these are the important topics of first unit. Okay, today we have discussed about Adam Smith's wealth definition, Jacob Weiner's definition, microeconomics and macroeconomics. These are very important in the first lesson. Okay, if you like my class, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.